Hello everyone, 20-minute yoga flow for you all. I hope you enjoy it. Coming down into Uttanasana, take a nice deep breath in, relax your head, relax your hands. Relax your neck, breathing in and out through the nose. Start to move your hands around your mat. And then coming back down. And we're going to take a step back with the right leg. Looking ahead here. Just feeling the stretch in through that back hip flexor. And then taking your other leg back, and we're going to change sides. Your hands either side of your front foot or on the inside. And then taking your legs all the way back, taking the knees wide and sinking back into child's pose, breathing in, breathing out. On your next inhale, bring yourself up through table, and we're going to exhale down to the floor. We breathe in and then we exhale our way up all the way back to sink back to child's pose. Breathing in all the way up, exhaling down to floor, inhaling first, exhaling all the way back. Breathing in, come up to table. We're going to go cat-cow, just taking some nice deep breaths here, inhaling, exhaling, inhaling and arching, exhaling and rounding. So this is really going to be quite a simple flow, moving freely through some basic postures and flows, just to get the body moving today. And sitting back. And bring yourself to a seated position into Sukhasana, and we'll begin by placing the hands together in Anjali Mudra, closing our eyes and just find a moment to settle, to breathe. On your next inhale, let's open the eyes and place the hands on the tops of the knees, taking a nice deep breath in, roll up and exhale down. Breathing in and breathing out, rolling those shoulders and coming down. Now we're going to roll back one shoulder at a time. And release the shoulders down. Okay, taking your left hand down towards the floor, inhaling up and exhaling over with the other side. Inhaling up to the sky or the ceiling and then come over. Hello, Kelly. Inhaling up and exhaling over. Inhaling up, exhaling over. And again, inhale and exhale. And inhale and exhale. Let's come back now to face forward, taking your right arm across the hand towards the knee and a gentle twist looking over your left shoulder. Breathing in and breathing out. You can use your hand here just to give yourself a gentle twist. And one more time, inhale, exhale over. Inhaling and exhaling. Okay, so we'll bring ourselves now to a seated position. You're going to take your legs out, feet out onto the floor. Press your palms down into your mat and push out of the palms of the hands and lift the chest. Take a breath here. And exhale, squeeze, 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 squeeze. And again, inhale again. And exhale. Release here. Straighten the legs out. We're going to lift the toes up towards the sky, towards the ceiling, squeezing through the quads here. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. And relax the toes, pointing and flexing the feet. And then take the feet out a little wider, so moving the legs out, and just get some movement into the feet here. And relax them, taking the feet back together again, inhaling up and exhale, folding forwards. Reach down towards either your knees or your shins or your feet. That's it. Keep breathing. Inhale, exhale, forward fold here. Seated forward fold. And we'll bring ourselves back up on an inhale and take the hands back round again. Okay, so now squeezing the chest open, dropping the knees over, inhaling up, exhaling over. Inhaling, exhaling, inhaling and exhaling. So internal and external rotation, really nice for any stiff hips. Just mind the kittens here. That's it, all the way over and back through to the center. Okay, so from here we're going to bring ourselves, it's like Animal Farm here, coming into a crouch position, widen the knees, feet go flat, and we sink as low as we can. Here we go, pressing the palms together. Well done. Now from here, really stretching through the ankles, have a little move around if you want to. And we're going to fold forward. So we're going to reach down towards the floor, straighten up the legs into forward fold. Leaving your right hand on the floor, extend up your left towards the ceiling or the sky. Inhaling down and exhaling up. Inhaling down, we're coming up, 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 all the way up to standing. And there we go. Okay, so we're going to move through short sun salutation here. I'm going to start this way, away from kittens, pressing palms together, inhaling up and down we come. Half lift and release. Take the right foot all the way back, looking ahead, other to join. And coming down through, inhaling, exhaling. Lifting your right, coming through, looking ahead, other to join. Inhaling up, exhale down. Inhale, all the way down to floor, Uttanasana. Half lift and down, left coming back, looking ahead. Other to join, moving Chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Over we go to down dog. Left lift, swing through. To join, Uttanasana. And back to prayer position. Okay, so a short flow now through warrior. We're going through warrior 1, 2, reverse warrior and side angle. Starting at the top of your mat, press your palms up to ceiling, take a step back, and we lower down to warrior 1. Reaching up with your hands, palms facing, shoulders relaxed. Let's move into warrior 2. The back heel comes down and we take the weight onto the front leg, opening the knee and the hip. Breathe here. Inhale up and exhale into reverse warrior. Really lifting up the rib cage here. Let's breathe in through warrior two and take the left arm towards the left thigh. Side angle. So the reach is here. Feeling that stretch all the way down. Inhaling your way back up. And let's bring it into pyramid now. So you're turning your back foot in slightly, 45 degrees. Now, drawing in through the core, open the chest, taking your hands just behind you to the low back for now. Inhale. Exhale, fold forwards. Now, if you need here to reach down towards the floor, you can, taking your head down towards your shin or your knee. Take some breaths here. Start to bend that front leg, bringing the back knee into join, into the plant. Bending your knees, bring yourself up and open with the shoulders here. Inhale up, take the left foot back. So warrior one position, reaching as low as you can. Breathing in, and let's exhale into warrior two. So we have the back foot turned in. Whoops, so uneven on this grass. That's it. Holding that position there. So the openness through here and through the inner thigh and into the knee. Inhale through and exhale into warrior reverse. So you've got real lift up through the rib cage here. We'll take a breath in. We come back through warrior two and right elbow to right knee. Really extend here. Inhale your way back up. We start to just turn that back foot 45 degrees in, and you're facing forward. So you're facing over that front knee and that front foot. Let's take the hands behind. Inhale. Exhale, draw in and fold forward. Now, if that's comfortable for you, you could stay here. Or you could reach down with the hands if you wanted to go a little further. Take some breaths. And then slowly start to bend the knee. Bring yourself together, standing and rolling. Well done. Okay. All right, everybody. So let's bring the hands in, pressing together. Thank you for joining me for this short flow today. I hope that's made you feel a little bit more like moving, or it's woken you up, or kind of given you a little bit of a pause. Close your eyes, focus on your breathing. Namaste. Thank you all for joining me. Thank you.